Numerical Learning Center. Today we're going to learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. What do you need to remember about learning addition and subtraction of algebraic expression? Okay, of algebraic expression. So we must know that those terms that are the same, then we can add them up or subtract. If they are not the same or not exactly the same, we cannot add them up. For example, A and A, they are the same, so we can add them up. So 2A plus 3A, that's 5A. Yeah, I'm sure most of you know that. Addition and subtraction, it must be the same variable, then you can add them together. Okay, now we have A, that's all, there's no other A's. B, these two are the same, so we can add them up together. 4B plus 2B, and that is 6B. And you have 3A plus 6C. Only the same terms can be added. A and C, they are not the same, so we cannot add them together. Now there's a bracket over here. We must always do the brackets first, then we do what's outside. So now we remove the bracket. You notice this is plus and this is minus. This is a very important difference, and that's the common mistake a lot of students make. So we have 4A plus 5B plus, we don't need to change anything, right? We just multiply it in, plus 1, so it becomes plus 2A plus 3B. So when we add them up, only A and A can be added together. A and A. So 4A plus 2A, that will be 6A. And then we have B and B, only the same terms can be added together. 5B and 8B. 5B and 3B, sorry, that will be 8B. That's the answer. After that, we have a negative one. This is the tricky one. So we have 4A plus 5B. Negative. So it's negative 2A and negative 3B. Okay? Be very careful about this, because most students make this mistake about multiplying the negative in. Then we continue with the next step. A and A. 4 minus 2. So it's 4A minus 2A. That will be 2A. 5B minus 3B. B and B is the same. We can minus it. 5B minus 3B will be 2B. Okay, understand? So now we do another negative. Beware of the negative. If you don't take care of it, it will take care of you. Okay? Negative multiply in minus 6p. Negative multiply in, it becomes plus 2q. Okay? Take note of this. Okay? Negative, huh? Remember to always take care of the negatives, or the negatives will take care of you. So now we have P and P, the same. Remember, the same term, you add together. You can actually move it together. Okay? If you are not sure, you move it together. For me, I underline with a different color so I can see it clearly. 8 minus 6, that's 2P. Then we have Q and Q, minus 4Q plus 2Q. That will be minus 2Q. And that's the answer. Okay, this one, a simple multiplication in 2P times 8, that's 2AP. Multiply in 3 times 2 is 6, 6B. Okay, simple multiplication again. 3 times 6 is 18, so it's 18 A, B, P. Multiply 2 times 6 is 12 C, P. This is a simple multiplication, then addition. You notice this again is a negative. You must be very careful when you do the negative. Okay, now we'll do the positive one first. multiply in. Remember, you need to multiply by the first one, then you multiply by the second one. Okay, this is what you did just now. Okay, if you only multiply by the first one and you didn't multiply by the second one, then it's not correct either. So 4 times 2, we have 8 AP. 4 B times B will be 4 BP. Multiply them together to get rid of the brackets. So you have AP plus BP. Okay, that's not the end, because AP is common. So we're going to add them up. 8 AP plus 1 AP, you will have 9 AP. 4 BP and 1 BP, you will have 5 BP. That's the answer. We have the negative again, so we're going to multiply it in. 4 times 2, 8. A times B, AP. 4P times B, we'll have 4 BP. It's a negative. AP, negative, you multiply in, becomes negative BP. AP and AP, common term. So 8 minus 1, we have 7 AP. BP and BP, common again. 4 minus 1 is 3 BP. Okay. For those who are still not sure, you have to recall that negative times negative is actually positive. Positive times positive is also positive. Positive times negative is negative. Negative times positive is also negative. So when you multiply minus 2p into a plus b, there's actually a plus beside a. So you multiply in, it becomes negative 2ab, negative 2bb. Okay, this last example over here, we're going to multiply in, then we're going to multiply in, taking care of this negative sign. So we'll have 5x here, plus, multiply in 2x, 2 times 2 will be 4, negative 3x, remember you multiply in the negative 3, negative 3 and negative 5, you must put a plus 15, plus. Okay. So if same term together, you can add and subtract, same term. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10x. 15 plus 4 will be 19. These two are the same. These two together. And so that's the answer. 10x plus 19. I hope this has helped to clarify the understanding on addition and subtraction of algebra. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.